Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of small camera which is called Osmo Pocet 3. I have here mic. I will try maybe to talk to it like this, that you can hear me better. So today I have this Osmo Pocet 3 camera to unbox. I've got it on sale and it's on Amazon. It used to be more expensive. First it was cheaper, then it got more expensive over time, like even 800, and lately I saw it on sale because the new were coming out, Osmo Pocet 4, so this one is cheaper now. I didn't get creative combo because I still have DJI mic first version. The problem is that this mic doesn't connect with this camera, so I will have to purchase in future maybe the DJI mic 2 or a mic mini, because then they can connect with this camera. Mic minis are more cheaper. So how you open this? Here I guess. Then you open like here. Here it comes with, here it comes with sticker, Osmo Pocet guide, then some other. Here you can download something, forum, QR code for forum, and some instructions. That's empty. Here are two things. First, let's see what's here. Let's see what's in here. Something, something like this. Cable, charging cable. Wrist strap. Something more I see there. What's there? Ah, it's only it's this thingy that for humid, to prevent humid, how it's called, I don't know. This thing. Charging. Let's open this. This is like tripod extender, but it's not tripod, it's just, let's see, something like this. Cube. Here you charge or what? I'm not sure. Or here you charge. Here you put something. This press, you press this. Something extend here. See? And you press it and then it goes into your pocket, and then you have here mount that you can mount to any tripod like JBL, but this would be too bulky. Here is Osmo Pocket. Let's unbox it. Wow, looks like this, guys. Look, it has some kind of thingy that you put it in. Looks like this. And then you have Osmo Pocket, which is really tiny, like this. Indeed, it's not big at all. Here it has the screen, rotatable. Here is buttons, I don't know, press to start or something. And here is camera. How you started. Here is some guide, let's see. Quick start guide. DJI store up or DJI. I have to insert SIM card here. I have SIM card. I got it also lately on Amazon. This one. Let's open it. Be right back. I inserted the card, but the one thing is weird that it's not covered, that input, so dirt can go inside. That's not good for future, and that means it's not weatherproofed. So you have to be careful on weather. This is cool. I remove it. English, I guess. Swipe to skip 5 times remaining. Maybe I should download it then. Be right back. Now it make me update firmware after downloading that app. DJI Mimo. So this is still not tested yet. And it says low battery powering off. So can't even use it now. And here it says connect, but this is out of battery, so I have to charge it first. So I will have to stop this unboxing here and we'll try later. I mean, it's almost unboxed. See, it says no device found. Because this is off. Profile. Where's the DJI Mimo? Here. Home. Because I also have that other tripod from DJI. Yeah, Osmo Mobile SE I have also. I'm not sure if I want to use it. I don't have to use phone all the time, I hope. Here it says have some pictures how to activate it. I mean turn it on. So I will try it later. This button is to make this angles to this camera. And this is power button. And it can take pictures, videos and off. Okay, later I will try it out. Now I have to charge it. So see you later.